It's my Triumph Bonneville T100 2015. I'm just gonna do a walk around. Some things I did to it. The main thing is the British Custom full exhaust system. Thing sounds awesome, 2-in-1. Got a 2-in-1 tune for it. I did the slammer seat, also British Customs. I redid the taillights and indicators back here. I think that was Dime City. Did a Dankai sissy bar, stock shocks. Did handlebars, can't remember where they were from. Just the Biltwell grips. I just painted the gas cap, painted the headlights, took the tack out, just did the single. I like the look of that better. Probably just gonna keep it how it is now, but I'll let you know what it sounds like.